11th question is the next question, very big question here, but question is very easy to solve. Listen, how to solve this question. There is a TV tower. Sanket, please off your mic. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank. TV tower stands vertically on a bank. Okay, this is a TV tower. TV tower. This is the TV tower. Okay, TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. It is a canal. From a point on the other bank, directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay, so this is the C is the point, where the C is the point, from a point on the other bank. Okay, on the other bank. Okay, so that is the C is the point on the other bank. C is the point on the other bank of canal. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of canal. From a point on the another bank directly opposite to tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. You can see that C 60 degree. 60 degree is given here, so C is the point opposite to the tower. Okay, 60 degree is the point opposite to the tower. Figure is given, so it is not difficult for you. Figure is this, in this problem figure is given, so it is not difficult for you to solve this problem. Only then now here you have to check what they are asking to find out. So here from the another point, now here one more point here, from the another point 20 meter away from this point. Okay, so there is a D is the another point which is 20 meter away from the C. Okay, there is a one more angle of elevation that is equal to what, 30 degree. That is angle of elevation is equal to 30 degree. So what they are asking to find out, find the height of the tower. Okay, height of the tower H you have to find out. This is the height of the tower, as well as width of the canal. Width of the canal. So where is the width of the canal? Which is the width of the canal here? Width of the canal means what here? BC. BC is the width of the canal. Width of the canal is nothing but here BC. BC is the question mark. So BC I will consider as a X here. BC I will consider as a X. Okay, so two things we have to find out. Height of the tower. Height of the tower also we have to find. Okay, that is AB is equal to H. That is equal to question mark. And the width of the canal. BC is the canal. Okay, so BC is the width of the canal we have to find out. So here we have to go for the two triangle, that is in triangle ABC. Okay, in the triangle ABC the angle is 60 degree. This is the ABC. Okay, so this is the X and AB is the height. So in the triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Theta is 60 degree, perpendicular here H, base is X. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to H by X. So X is cross multiplied. So what will get here? H is equal to root 3x. H is equal to root 3x. Now another triangle we have, that is a triangle name is what? ABD. ABD is the triangle and here H. So tell me now, what is the BD?
20 plus x.
20 plus x. Correct answer, 20 plus x. So in triangle ABD, angle is 30 degree. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Theta is 30 degree. Perpendicular is H by base 20 plus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to H. So in the place of H, what you can write?
3 by root 3.
Root 3x. Only in the place root 3x divided by 20 plus x. Cross multiply root 3 into root 3 and 20 plus x. So 20 plus x is equal to 3x will come. So that is equal to 20 is equal to 3x minus x. 20 is equal to 2x. Okay, so that is equal to what? X is equal to 20 by 2, x is equal to 10 meters. So width of the canal we have got here. Here width we got. Width of the canal is equal to 10 meter. Okay, width of the canal is equal to 10 meter. So the next one now, height we have to find out height. So we know height h is equal to what? Root 3x. So in the place of x you substitute the value 10. So we got height is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Finished. So that is what we can call as a height of the tower. Height of the tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter.